Hey there, actors. If your dream is to land a role on Netflix or any of the streamers, you come to the right place. Getting seen by major casting directors can feel overwhelming, but today I'm breaking down 5 practical ways that you can audition for any of the streamers, and that includes Netflix. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear action plan to start booking those big roles. The first 2 ways that I'm going to talk about are how to audition for Netflix or any of the streamers through your reps. But if you don't have reps, no worries. Keep watching and I'll give you 3 other ways that you can still audition. Step number 1 is to hopefully sign with an agent who believes in you. First thing is first is you pretty much need an agent who's not just collecting checks off of you and then shelving you. You need an agent who's actually pushing you and believing in you. Netflix casting directors work with top agencies to fill major roles, so having strong representation can make all the difference. Do your research. I've done an entire video on how to find the perfect rep for you so that you can find an agent who truly understands you, your career, and your goals, and who's truly on fire about your success. The right agent will be excited to pitch you and not just to shelve you. If your agent isn't actively getting you opportunities, it might be time for maybe a little chit chat and possibly a change. Disclaimer though, it is really slow in the industry right now. It's not your rep's fault. Let me just put it out there. Anybody will tell you that it's still pretty slow. So just keep that in mind. As of this recording of this video in early March 2025. Step number 2, sign with a manager who also understands your career goals. Agents get you auditions, but managers really help shape your career. They should know where you want to go long term and where you see your career heading long term so that they can help you make strategic choices. A great manager doesn't just say yes to everything. They guide you towards roles that truly align with you. And if you want to know why I love my manager, you can check out this video up above. As you're looking to sign with a manager and you're taking meetings, if you have a sense that they're not really invested in your growth, keep looking, because you deserve a team that's as dedicated to your success as you are. And now we're going to move into the ways that you can audition for Netflix and all the other streamers without reps. So the third way is to submit yourself via Actors Access. If you don't have an agent or manager yet, that's so not a problem. Actors Access is one of the best places to find Netflix auditions, but here's the catch. You need a competitive headshot. And if you're not sure what that means, you can check out this video up above. Casting directors look at hundreds of submissions, oftentimes in these tiny little thumbnails. Your headshot should showcase your essence and what you naturally bring to a role. Invest in quality photos that highlight you. No over-the-top edits, just real, captivating you. Number 4 is to submit yourself via casting networks. Another powerhouse platform is casting networks. Make sure your profile is fully optimized with your experience, skills, and a great reel. The more complete and professional your profile looks, the better your chances are of landing that audition. Number 5, submit yourself via Backstage. Backstage isn't just for indie projects. There are legit Netflix casting calls on there, especially for new actors looking to build their credits. This is a great way to get in front of the right people. Stay consistent, check these platforms daily, apply often, and keep improving your materials and your craft. The more auditions you get, the more casting directors get to see your work, and the closer you are to booking. I should also say to please watch out for scams. Some people want to make a quick buck by selling you a Hollywood dream. Never pay anybody unless it's for commission off of the work that you have done. Commission is what an agent or a manager receives after you book a job and you get paid. It's usually 10% for union jobs and 20% for non-union jobs. Casting sites like Actors Access, casting networks, and Backstage often charge fees for their services, but this is normal and these are reputable sites. If you're curious about other useful casting sites, you can check out this video up above. And there you have it. 5 ways that you can audition for Netflix or any of the streamers out there right now. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe for more acting tips. And drop a comment below. What is your dream show that you want to be on right now? I'd love to know. Mine is currently Fallout. I would love to play Vault Dweller. See you all in a new video Thursday after next. Bye.